want to be a lap dog. If you can get up here, I mean, we can make it work. Come on.
This hunky little heartthrob is named Lima Bean, and Lima Bean is estimated to be around 4 years old. We think he is a pit bull boxer mix. He is a rescue, so these are just our best guesses. He currently weighs in just shy of 60 pounds, but he absolutely still knows that he is a lap dog. He is an amazing little adventure dog, great on leash, and loves the water. He is good with kids and great with other dogs, and cat tolerant as well. This boy would fit into just about any animal lover's home, but he has a soft spot for the more adventurous of us. He is such a good boy, and he is looking for his forever family.
Got Mr. Fang, Lima Bean, Dodo, Mayflower, Milo, Club, Bobby Chili con Queso Rodriguez, and Luna. We got Miss Mala, Lima Bean, Bobby Chili con Queso, Milo, Miss Willow getting love over here. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby. Okay, Lima Bean, I see you. Oh, you want to play soccer? Boo, you have the cutest ears, buddy.
Lima.
What's his name?
Lima Bean.
His name is Lima Bean. Do you want to grab the bag of treats right there and give him one real quick? It's on Brittany's desk.
Oh.
Tell him to sit.
Lima Bean, no.
Sit. Sit. That's okay. Give it to him and see if he takes it gently.
Aww. So gently. Can you sit on the couch with him and see if he'll come you for some pictures?
Lima Bean. Lima Bean.
What's his name?
From the bean litter? Oh no, this is a bark
He's
dog.
from New Mexico.
Okay.
There's no arc in his name. Lima Bean.
Hey, Poppy. Hey, Poppy. You remember me. You remember me.
Okay. He got real stiff for a second.
No, he didn't.
Hey, be nice.
Tom says, I'm always nice. I'm my best
You trying to smell her. You try to come from behind her.
Mm-hmm.
Lima Bean.
You want to say hi again?
You want to smell her? Hello, how are you?
Come.
I was wondering if I could get more kid food or Lima Bean.
We got Tom. Lima Bean.
about if he jumps? Right down.
You're so good. You're so good, Lima Bean.